Hi, I'm David Sheen. I'm the owner of mywebmarketingservices.ca. In the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how I can potentially save your business thousands of dollars per year. In fact, it could potentially be tens of thousands of dollars per year, depending on the type of business that you're in and the advertising budget that you have. What I'm going to show you is contrary to anything you've ever seen before online, and I'm going to virtually prove it to you right online in this video that I can do this for you. So if you have any questions after this video, click on the contact button on the right hand side of the website or call the number below the video. In any event, I hope you enjoy this presentation and I look forward to helping you crush your competition online. The number one mistake made by local businesses that are either building a website or they've already built a website. The number one mistake is that most people choose the wrong domain name. What I mean by that is if you are a lawyer and your name is John Doe, you build the domain name John Doe Law. Okay, the mistake here is that nobody that's looking for a lawyer on Google is going to type in John Doe Law. They're going to look for lawyers. They're going to look for the specific type of lawyer they're looking for. Now, if you've already made a website, don't worry. It's not like I'm telling you to rip your website down. What I'm telling you is that you're missing out on a lot of natural search engine traffic that can generate new business. You shouldn't have a website online that is driven, people are driven to your website through other offline advertising sources like Yellow Pages. Somebody comes to your Yellow Page ad, they should be calling you. They shouldn't be looking at a website, going to the website, then deciding if they call you. That's a wasted step. The website is there for you to gain new customers that you would not have had without the advertising that the website will do for you. So in the next segment, I'm going to show you just how powerful this technique that we use is. So I've opened up Google. I'm going to show you exactly how effective that last technique I showed you can work. 23 days ago, a client contacted us wanting us to design a site for his water filtration company. After doing keyword research, we determined that the best keyword to go for would be best water purification. Now, water purification is actually searched 12,000 times a day, so that would be ideal to get. But by having that in the domain, that will be easier to get later. By trying to get it first, we'd have quite an uphill battle. By getting something, a variation of that term that is still searched quite frequently, first, it will be much easier to get water purification later on. So, best water purification was currently searched around 100 to 200 times per day. So we decided to try to get the client rank for that, and we designed this site here. And you can see here that there's over 1,690,000 results. This site did not exist 23 days ago. 23 days later, it is number one in the search engines. Can we do this for you? Absolutely. Every business has a multiple amount of keyword phrases that it can rank for, given the proper company doing the work. In the next segment, I'm going to show you exactly how we do this. If you wish to see more case studies like this on our site, we do have other examples of other sites. This is a good one that happened fast, but it can actually happen even faster for your niche. There's another one on our site. We got it ranked inside of 8 days to number 3. It will most certainly go to number 1. So lots of examples to look at, but now I'm going to show you how we do it. Okay, so here's an example of one I'm working for a client right now. They're a manufacturing company, welding fabrication, steel fabrication, that kind of stuff. So what we do is we type in a keyword here and it'll come out with a number of keyword variations. So you can see that any business has a lot of keywords. And besides this, you can actually take one of these, open it in a new tab, and create a whole new set of a couple hundred keywords. And you can keep repeating this process, and literally there are thousands and thousands of keyword phrases available for every single business. What you want to do is try to get ranked for one that has a lot of searches. So in this column here we see the amount of search volume. So we can sort by this and we can see that welding by itself gets 245,000 searches. So basically you find the main words and then you keep reworking this, opening in new tabs. It's a lengthy process. It takes about 2 hours. For the sakeness of this video, I'm not going to get into that for you. But bottom line is, at the end of the day, we discovered that this was the best keyword that we figured we could get ranked for quickly and be effective, cost effective to the customer. So basically 1,989 people a day are searching this term, And if you are in the first page position for this term, you can expect to have 835 visitors a day to your website. This is pretty good news. We're going to go down here. This here, this 92 cents, what you see here is the cost of advertising using Google AdWords. Google AdWords is the #1 online medium advertising method. Maybe you use it, maybe you don't. However, if you are #1 ranked for this term, you will not need to pay this. So let's just say in a conservative estimate that 1,000 customers come to your website via Google AdWords every month. That will cost you $920. If I get you first page ranked for this term, I'm actually saving you $920 a month. Now, this is the actual SEO traffic that you're going to get. So this value over here is actually the value of this domain in a first place ranking on a month-to-month basis. So basically this domain, if it gets ranked #1, is worth $768.55 just to rent it. Never mind selling the domain, I could rent it for $768.55 a month. Do I charge anything close to this? Absolutely not. This is basically to give you an idea of the mechanics of how we determine what domain we're going to purchase. It's a little bit more complicated than this short video, but in the next video I'm going to show you more. Okay, so we just ran a little bit over the 5 minutes. I just want to wrap it up by saying yes, we can help you, and you'd be very, very shocked to find out how affordable this service is. It can range greatly depending on how much traffic that you're willing to get, and also your niche. So there's lots of different variables, but we don't just build websites for you. We actually build websites that will come with built-in traffic. It is very surprisingly affordable. If you'd like to find out more information, just call me at the number below or click on the contact button on the top right-hand side of the website. Thanks for visiting my website, and I hope you enjoyed this video.